A bacterial population growing in batch culture increases from 1000 cells to 10 lakh cells in 5 hours. What is the generation time? So generation time, that is G, this is equal to total time divided by number of generations, right? G is equal to T by N. So अगर हमें number of generations पता चल गए तो हम क्या find out कर सकते हैं? generation time. तो number of generations कैसे find होते हैं? by NT is equal to N naught into 2 to the power N, इस formula से, ठीक है? So how do we find out N? We'll take log on both the sides. So we'll get log NT is equal to log N naught plus N log 2. So log NT, that is number of cells at time t, minus log N naught divided by log 2 is equal to N, which is number of generation. So log NT कितना है? That is number of cells. कितने? This is 10 to the power 6 and N naught is 10 to the power 3. We can write 10 to the power 6 minus log 10 to the power 3 divided by log 2. So this will be equal to log 10 to the power 6 will be 6 minus log 10 to the power 3 will be 3 divided by log 2. So इसे calculate करेंगे, we'll get the answer as 9.96. We'll get the answer as 9.96. And आ गया है हमारे पास, which is 9.96. Generation time will be equal to कितना गिवन है? 5 hours. आंसर हमें मिनट्स में चाहिए, so we'll convert hours into minutes. 5 into 60 divided by number of generations, which is 9.96. So this will be equal to 30 minutes. Will be equal to 30 minutes. That is option 2 will be the correct answer.